Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Exciting young sprinters Javorne Dunkley and Theianna Terrelonge headline Jamaica's 83-member team named for the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships set for March 30 to June 1 at the Kirana James Stadium in Grenada. Dunkley, who is entered for the 100 meters, heads the 20-member under-20 boys squad that also includes fellow sprinter Gary Card and middle distance runner Kimario Bygrave. Now, Terrelonge heads the 23 members on the 20 girls squad, which also includes the fellow sprinters Shanoya Douglas and Sabrina Dockery. The 20-member on the 17 girls squad is led by the impressive Natrice East, who will contest the sprint double, and also includes outstanding middle distance runner Ali K. Reynolds and returning medalist sprinter Nicoy Bramwell heads the 20-member on the 17 boys squad that also includes hurdler Robert Miller as well as thrower Javonte Smith. David Wilson will be chef de mission of the management team, which will have David Riley as a technical leader. The management team also includes the coaches Michael Dyke and Michael Carr, as well as Leiford Grant and Maurice Wignall. The Reggae Boyz' plans and strategies to defeat the USA in their CONCACAF Nations League semi-final next week Thursday will not include the informed Leon Bailey, who has been suspended. Bailey and Trevante Stewart have been suspended by Reggae Boyz head coach Heimer Holgrimson for breaking team curfew in the last international window in November against Canada.
But we have only one rule: don't leave the hotel after 10 p.m. And these players didn't even sleep at the hotel, missed the bus next morning.
Holgrimson has also included schoolboy football standout Kahim Dixon. Dixon scored on his debut versus the Trinidad and Tobago 2 weeks ago.
It's just a chance. He knows, like everybody else, he will have more chances in the future if he plays his card correctly. But this is not do or die for him. This is an opportunity, and I hope he understands it.
Meanwhile, 18-year-old Sheffield Wednesday forward Bailey Kadamatri and Mount Pleasant goalkeeper Shaquan Davis are the two uncapped players named in the squad, which sees the return of midfielder Casey Palmer. And Sheffield Wednesday 18-year-old prodigy Bailey Kadamatri, who has been called up by Jamaica's Reggae Boyz, has also been called up for England's under-19 team. Although born in England, Kadamatri is eligible for Jamaica and was included in their 23-man squad for the CONCACAF Nations League fixtures. Yesterday. However, on Friday, he was called up by England on the 19s for fixtures in North Africa against Morocco and the USA. It now remains to be seen whether the forward will pursue an international career with the Three Lions or the Reggae Boyz. He's not the only player from Sheffield Wednesday called up for international duty by the Reggae Boyz, as defender Deshaun Bernard has also been called up. Now, if Kadamatri does not opt to travel with England, he could still pledge allegiance to Jamaica later down the line. Some cricket now. The West Indies Academy have made a brisk start in their second innings against the Jamaica Scorpions on day 3 of their fourth round regional 4-day match at Sabina Park. The Academy team at lunch were 69 without loss, a lead of 21 runs. Kadeem Allen has so far blasted 52 from just 39 balls, while Rashawn Worrell is on 15. Earlier, Pete Salmon fell short of a maiden first-class century as he was dismissed for 81 in the Scorpions' 362 all-out in their first innings response to the 324 made by the visitors. Salmon was 60 overnight, while Derval Green, who resumed on 25, went on to make 35. Left-arm spinner Joshua Bishop bagged his first 5-wicket haul, grabbing 6 for 96. Elsewhere, the Windward Islands Volcanoes were 155 for 5 in their second innings, a lead of 52 against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force at the Queen's Park Oval. Barbados Pride, in response to 486 made by the Ghana Harper Eagles, while they were reeling at 205 for 8. And the combined campuses and colleges in their second innings were 167 for 5 against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes, and that's a lead of 181. And that is Stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Karen?
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Karen Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.